In this video, we are going to see how we can share the other TikTok video post to our TikTok account easily. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just locate that specific video that you want to share in your profile. Just open that video up and we will click on the share icon next to it. We'll click on this arrow sign. And from here, the first option right here, it says repost. Let me just highlight that as well. So here is the repost option. We just click on that and click on OK, and then it will be reposted to your specific profile. Let's actually view it on our profile, and there we have a category of repost. As you can see here, we have reposted that video successfully, and another one as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.